a quick example of using some of the geometry cleanup tools in Femap to make a better mesh. I'll bring in here a piece of sample parasolid geometry, and this one's actually in millimeters, so it gets scaled up a little bit. The first thing I always do when I want to find the problems of my model, I'm going to turn off some of the extra edge information here, is use our locator. And what I want to do is find sliver surfaces. And I know this part's actually about the mesh size. Later on it's going to be a little bit bigger, so let's look for anything that'll fit within a 1 millimeter circle, and there's 2 slivers in this model. The first thing we'll do here is get rid of them actually permanently by cleaning up the parasolid geometry. So we're going to go into feature removal. I'm going to say surfaces, and this is just removing regular fillets and chamfers and things. We're actually going to aggressively squish this right out of the model. So I'm going to look at the first one, second one, zoom in here, and just go pick them. And he's going to get pulled out of the model. Go find the other guy, pick them, and let's see what else we got here. Let's make sure we don't have any short edges in the model. So go back to the locator, go to curves, and let's see what we got here. There's 2 curves that are pretty short, and let's see where these are at. It zooms in. Oh, looks like we have another little ledge in here, this little flag shaped surface. A couple of ways we can get rid of him. There's a split point to edge, which actually burns a little split right there, so now I've got a separate surface, and then I can jump right into feature removal and get rid of him. And let's go see what we got. Looks like the exact same thing on the other side. Yeah, there it is. Let's go ahead and do the same thing there. Basically created one extra little face there. Then I'm going to remove it, and you can see there parasolid geometry actually gets permanently updated. So now we've got good geometry. We'll just let me bring up the meshing toolbar, and we'll just say mesh solid. Pick a material. Femap pick the mesh density automatically. Feed it through. Surface is meshed. It's going into the tetramesher. Loading. It's done. Now it's adding the mid-side nodes, hooking everything up to the surfaces for geometry-based loads. Let's turn everything off. And there we got a nice mesh.